Long-lasting Tesla bull Steve Wesley has recently said that Tesla is strategically set up for tremendous development in the EV business, and presently he has repeated his bullishness on the vehicle organization after he revealed in a new meeting that Tesla is as yet going to have a 10 times advantage over its rivals, adding that 2023 will be a huge year for the automaker. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Tesla's new cost cut has been trailed by a progression of bullish remarks from Tesla bulls, with the result that the cost cut is reliably showing that Tesla will have a mind-boggling year. Steve Wesley, a previous Tesla load-up part and pioneer behind Wesley and the NTMBC interview, said that Tesla's cost execution and its cut are a critical benefit over his rivals, as is its digital truck, which is soon to become a critical driver for the vehicle organization in the future, as per Wesley. Tesla has begun a cost wall that other EV creators were ready for, and it might power these organizations to bring down their costs. One of the impacts of Tesla's cost cut on other EV creators is that we should figure it out yet before we do, on the off chance that you like this kind of satisfaction and raise a ruckus around town with button buy-in and turn-on notices to push state-of-the-art on everything along with Tesla. Previous Tesla load-up part and Tesla bull Steve Wesley has said that Tesla is placing its rivals in a tough spot where they either bring down their vehicle costs or risk losing a larger part of their pie to Tesla. While a main organization like Tesla reduces costs, every one of its opponents feels pressure and follows suit accordingly, and this is starting to play out. Portage as of late declared that it was reducing costs of the horse Mach-E and electric SUVs contending with the Model Y, and it dropped costs somewhere in the range of $900 and $5,900 anyway. The issue isn't with these organizations rating costs yet, but with the way that they normally don't bring in cash on EVs. Thus, reducing costs on these vehicles will mean considerably more misfortunes. For the most part, is especially enthusiastic about Tesla's digital truck and accepts that the electric vehicle will be a distinct advantage for Tesla. Following quite a while of holding up, Musk has expressed that the creation of the digital truck could be at long last prepared, and the truck could be offered to shoppers during the center or end of 2023. The creation of the electric truck is planned to begin at the Tesla processing plant in Austin, Texas in June. Musk has been building up the digital truck as not exclusively Tesla's best vehicle yet, in addition to its chance of being the best item ever. While the send-off of the vehicle in 2019 wasn't without issues, with rugged window showings bombing staggeringly and the polarizing plan of the truck, the publicity behind it has been very fruitful. Musk additionally declared that Tesla got more than 250,000 bookings for the truck in the span of 7 days of uncovering it, and for the most part, Tesla gets a ton of reservations ahead of schedule after an Novelli, and afterward they tighten, yet that simply wasn't true here. As per reports, some Tesla stores were getting many reservations each week you're partaking in the pandemic digital truck. Pre-orders help to support deals greatly. In 2021, a publicly supported digital truck reservation count was putting the pre-orders at north of 1 million, and presently back in 2022, the equivalent telepod Tesla digital truck reservations were at over 1.5 million new nets. Likewise, Tesla is expecting to deliver 50,000 Tesla Semi units each year in 2024. As per Elon Musk, the organization will be sloping up creation through the following year. Musk said, "As I naturally suspect everybody knows right now, it takes about a year to increase creation. We are probably going for the gold units in 2024 for Tesla Semi in North America, and clearly we will grow. Past North America, Tesla would sell. I would rather not say the specific cost, yet they're significantly more than a traveler vehicle as per the report. While an item focus of 50,000 units each year sounds moderate for Tesla, which produces 20,500 units each week in its gigafactory in Shanghai in its final quarter of 2022. Such a result would as of now be unimaginably amazing anyway." Despite the fact that Wesley has confidence in Tesla's capability to keep ruling the EV markets, he accepts that the automaker has serious areas of strength for a with buy in October 2022. C. Wesley expressed that his viewpoints are that the main organization on the planet that can genuinely rival the U.S. electric vehicle monster is BYD. At the time, the Tesla Ball added that BYD will probably hit 1 million EV units delivered and sold, compared to Pastage with most likely around 60,000 units and GM battling to hit 50,000. As per Wesley, right now it seems to be Tesla and the Chinese fighting, and keeping in mind that he said that Volkswagen has a strong spot as far as speed, the Tesla Ball likewise said that it's Tesla and the Chinese. Wesley has faith in store for the energy business, and as per him, soon individuals won't be searching for electric vehicles yet, rather other clean advancements like independent. He said that the world's changing from one of oil and gas to a universe of innovation, and sun-based and wind power will be the primary energy sources. His telephone, the Wesley Bunch, and early Tesla financial backers have, as of late, raised $300 million to put resources into new businesses zeroed in on changing enterprises like energy transport and innovation. The Wesley Bunch expects to put resources into extraordinary organizations that zero in on the digitization and manageability of energy. Portability structures, modern innovation, and network protection. The new asset intends to make speculations of $5 to $15 million to organizations to speed up business development and fabricate associations discussing the ON's 2022 Global Energy Meeting in Stavanger, Norway. Wesley said that the drop in lithium particle battery costs and the change from oil and gas to innovation are obvious, referring to the case of the fallen sun-oriented energy costs from the highs of $77 for every watt to the momentum plunge to 30 pennies for each watt introduced limit, which has reached 183 gigawatts. Steve Wesley further made sense of the fact that this is the start of the new energy world and the universe of reasonable energy, with the additional fact that we're in a time of wind and solar orientation, and they're getting less expensive and more economical, and we've seen the progress from the universe of oil and gas to the universe of innovation. He likewise keeps up with that the expense decrease in batteries throughout recent years is clear a direct result of this progress. He additionally said that battery introduced limit, which is presently 770 gigawatt hours, will be 3.7 terawatt hours in 2030, with 70 of vehicle deals will be electric. He added that GM will create just EVs by 2035 and Volvo by 2030 and Chrysler by 2028. Given these progressions that can occur north of 10 years, he guesses that organizations like Tesla will assume a critical part and ought to be viewed as an energy organization given the mechanical advances that they have in batteries. Remarkable. Even in 2014, Tesla alone had 24 supercharger stations, and presently it has 520. This large number show us that change has occurred, and it will occur in 2022. C. Wesley told CNBC that Tesla will before long be confronting serious rivalry in the electric vehicle industry. He expressed that notwithstanding Audi and Porsche's extravagance, reasonable EVs are wanted to contend with Tesla and Chinese organizations like Neo and the right now making modest surveys for purchasers on a tight spending plan. As per Wesley, these organizations are getting contests from all areas, and they're rolling to need a twofold to contend anyway. While it is great to be scrupulous of the developing rivalry, it is consistently critical to take note of that Tesla keeps on becoming regardless, and of the rising rivalry. In April 2021, Musk anticipated that the Model E would be the smash hit vehicle, and in spite of the fact that he didn't know whether it would occur in 2022, he was certain that the electric SUV would take the worldwide crown from Tesla's Corolla in 2023, and now that appears to be that this prescient will probably happen. As per a report from Concentration to Move, the Model Y is presently the fourth top-of-the-line vehicle overall, after a surprising 88 leak from 2021 to 2022. There were 759,000 additional Savvy sold last year, only 28,000 units behind the third spot Portage F-150, which had been the top-rated truck for the past 46 years. Tesla guaranteed the two best positions with the REV for 870,000 and the Corolla seen 1.12 million anyway. While the runway is still clear for the Model Y to energy for the world's top-rated vehicle title in 2023, that are an essential components to accomplish that objective. First, it must arrive at the best position, and the Model I needs to build its deals by roughly 60 contrasted with last year, which is a feasible objective thinking about that Giga Texas and Gigabella and industrial facilities are proceeding to deliver 500,000 vehicles each year during Tesla's Q4 profit call. Musk expressed that Tesla intends to create around 1.8 million vehicles in 2023 of around 37,000. From 2022, Musk later added that Tesla might have the option to arrive at 2 million vehicles in 2023, which would expand the units in general to 52 over its 2022 numbers. Moreover, request has been on the high side directly following late value drops, and Bank of America predicts the Tesla's volume to hop 53 up from its unique conjecture of 17 development. Likewise, Musk said during this final quarter income call that the organization is getting the most orders year-to-date in history, in addition to the sticker price for the Model Y, and Model 3 is currently exceptionally close, and subsequently numerous purchasers, are thinking about getting into the marginally bigger Model I over the Model 3. Steve Wesley expressed that the EV organization is developing at a huge rate, with Tesla starting to lead the pack, and keeping in mind there are a few EV organizations coming into the market, it will take some time before anybody can be tossed. Tesla yet? What you say? Let us in on down underneath, and remember to let us know your assessment of Tesla. If you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.